Welcome back to another video on a traditional market day in Jamaica. Saturday, it's a market day. People know you me around the week. Is it that me around the week in the last video yesterday? Or me a reverse the week? You know, you me I tell you say blessed Monday. You never hear. Me no know no going to comment and ask how today on Monday. That one they pass or no? That one they pass or no? Anyway, what's up, Speak My Mind family? Bless up, you know, bless up. Buy two orange me half does the banana, you know. But you're not gonna mark it and send it come. Yes, man. Anyway, people, she finally revealed, you know. She going to hiding, but she finally revealed. She dep on 1 week vacation, she said, out of social media. She are well rested. You know how me talk? The same person will disappear. We're missing person, we're on the missing person list. Not either. Yes, man. She finally reveal where she there. Because you hear all kind of speculation. You hear say she there Jamaica. You hear say she there so. You hear say she there so. But finally she reveal which part she there. She there Atlanta, people. And when me can't understand, as you know seen at the title of the video, it seems like she depend the hustle very early after she have heard that six persons will be served, and she go off for two first. What a 99. Not no more than she figure for herself in the first two. She now wait for her she in the second batch. She put herself in the first batch. Because basically, as you see the title as me say, she hunting the money. She hunting the money. But when me can't understand, you come out now say you go sell Voicenote. Because basically, you go sell the Voicenote, you know. Because she said she acquired some Voicenotes. Someone offer to send her some Voicenote and ask her if she want it, and she willingly accept it. Because the person reach out to her and say, no, big boy, I can't take this, all the slandering and, you know, what them a deal with you and stuff. Me can't have this, I'm gonna send it come give to you. But here still she say, I no mix up. After all the slandering that them a do to you, and what them a do to you in a phone, me can't have this. I'm gonna send it to you. But here still you go say, I no mix up. So what it have to do with slandering if I no mix up in a phone? But as me say, she said the Voicenote them is not going to go for free. They are going to be sold. And she has sell them for 20. She has sell it for 20. I don't know if she's going to compile it, because basically it's more than one Voicenote. But basically to all she said, she will compile it in a way where she make a link for it. So when you pay the $20, you have to pre-order it too, you know. Make her take a sip there. Make her take a sip of one of my favorite cheap juice, Calls. When you drink this, it come like you drink freshly squeezed juice, but we know it's not freshly squeezed. Why everything you want people to pay for it before you even have it? People have to pay for cupcake, cake, all kind of sitting where you look after. Them have to send the money come and pay for it before you even have the actual product. Basically, you take your people their money and turn it over. You don't have no money for yourself. And in this video, you are going to say, somebody write and say, because basically she's at the Atlanta Carnival. Based on what she has said. If there's a carnival, I don't know. Somebody text in the comment and say, okay, you will be selling this year? No. Who remember last year when this girl flop at Atlanta Carnival? Because we all see it. And she come out, all the products which she says she carry and she has sell and she sell off. Them you can't say them the Atlanta Carnival and a sell cake like hot bread. And them a draw for camera and a video them product a sell. The same product what people talk about is no good and not selling. And at the same time, I think some little already that go on about product here and products there. And you know back your camera and show your product and sale at Atlanta Carnival and show that you sell off. But you come tell the public that you sell off and you were well off and you're comfortable. You almost state how much money you make. And for you know, they in at the bottom of the barrel that you get some free Voicenote and you think so deep that you're going to compile those Voicenote and make a link for who want to hear them with that cash. You say, oh, my page is an open page. I can't just put them on for everybody to hear. So, you know, who not like me, who support me, who like me, and just so it go, who have to pay for it. $20 enough for free Voicenote which you get. You think so deep to make a link to compile those Voicenote. The people pay $20 fee. And basically, once the person open the link for the first time, listen to the Voicenote, the link can't share, can't open back or nothing at all. Because if it could have go so it don't make no sense, you're not gonna profit off of it. Because all me have to do is just share the link. Or I wonder if I give you an idea. I wonder if you never did think upon it so and me give you an idea. Anyway, people, when me I say, if Atlanta Carnival was so sweet and successful last year, why this year she's in Atlanta not selling? Last year should have encouraged you even more than how you were encouraged last year to go this year if you were so successful last year. But you're going to say you're just there not for selling any product but just to cool out, you know, on a 1 week vacation from social media with all the array and what is going on. People, me I chat too much. Let's get into it. Because me I chat too much. I don't know, me like play. Although I don't love talk about me chat too much, you know, but as me say, me have to protect my platform. There is YouTube guideline, you know, so me have to talk in between.
Here because I don't want to come out of my environment. I didn't need to look a trip, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm not gonna say no, I won't be selling stuff at the carnival, no.
Why are you so
No.
successful last
I
year?
not sell stuff. No. Not selling anything. But just come to come. You don't know where it go. If you've never been to the Atlanta Carnival, just letting you guys know. If you've never been to the Atlanta Carnival, it's a big carnival. It's big because Atlanta, you know, it's like a melting pot for. It's kind of like a miniature version of New York per se. New York, Atlanta, when it comes on to diversity, I don't think Atlanta has that much diversity as New York because you know New York was always known for diversity. New York is the melting spot for just about every person.
People, I want you to tell me, you see this makes sense? If I am a business person and I go to Reggae Sunsplash last year, and it was a very productive year for me. When I come home, I see the success that I reap from being there to trade my wares. I supposed to instantly start plan for next year and to improve my products, both by quality and quantity. Because last year I take 50 cake, I want to take 80 cake this year or 100. Because last year was so successful. So I have to go see and test the waters again. You understand? So I can make myself be, you know, a signature person when it come on to Sunsplash or Sunfest, any one of them. At year time, when me I go garner that customer base where will be coming out and looking for me on a yearly basic. You've been so successful last year, and this year, no business. Just to get away from your environment of social media. Social media everywhere you're there. How you get away from social media? I know in your house where you live at New York, social media there. I know in your car or Starbucks where you there, social media there. Social media there right there so with you now. So what kind of environment you want to get away from social media? And you are on social media. You can't stay in your yard and not go on your phone. Just like if you go Atlanta and avoid social media, coming on social media for a week. You can't do the same thing in your yard. But this is it. You can't angle success. Well, as me say, I never more success neither. Because last year I did come out and dissect and analyze her that nothing ever go on for her. And I do it into a video. Nothing ever go on for her. Because as me say, if something did go on for her, you'd have seen all of the activity that is taking place around her tent. Probably she never make back the money because she gonna make pretty tent, you know, right up with her slogan and her logo and Ray. I don't even think you make back that the money there. Maybe not talk about the plane ticket. The tent money you not make it back. It's only that you will always have the tent. You understand what me I say to you? But what me I say, if you were so successful last year, why not go back this year? Come tell the people them that, man, you're too lie, man.
Hotel breakfast, baby love. Me I forgot get the hotel breakfast and do me thing. You get me? Cause me no want
Budget small, your
me not miss
budget
the hotel
small.
breakfast. No sir, me
Your
I forgot get
budget
my
low
toast and
bad.
my eggs and my this and my that. Cause you know me's a coffee girl. But I know when me I do for live this morning, I'm gonna drink my coffee yet. He's a coffee girl. You know early me wake up this morning. Wake up early cause I never set me alarm. So poor me, see me.
Come on. Setting your alarm or not, you always wake up early. Because you can't sleep comfortable. You're tormented. So by 4:30, sometime at 3:30 you wake up. And the careless set of people them follow you. Remember now, Anna, like in England you live. So the time frame is different. And when you look, you see people upon your life, them the hours there. Careless people just like you now have nothing to do, man. Careless.
Morning, Wendy,
Let's get the
how are
party
you?
started.
We had a pretty interesting conversation last night. We were talking about a recording that I have, and I want to put out the recording, but I'm
For
going to put out the
sale.
recording in fine style.
For sale.
I'm going to have a pre-order release party for the recording. I'm going to get the flyer made. As a matter of fact, while I'm eating breakfast, I'm going to reach out to my graphic designer and have him
Free
create the
Vice
flyer for the
Note is
pre-order.
going for
And I'm going
sale.
to put the link out there for you guys to
You
order.
touch rock
Yes, I'm going
bottom,
to put the
boy.
link out there for the pre-order. Direct with a PayPal or whatever, a Cash App link, so that when you click on the link, it goes directly into my bank account or whatever. You can just order it right away. But that's the only way I'm going to do it. I am a
So, people that buy your product, as I said earlier on, them have to pre-order for you get the money in your account and you don't have you don't have the actual ingredients in your for in front of you for bake the cake. But them have to pre-order. Remember now, you don't nobody we are buying nothing stock and pile for your business, you know. You go buy your little £2, £3, £4 of this, your little 2 pack of butter, and your little this, that when you get the order. So and like you have nothing stock. So if somebody 5 or 6 somebody said them pre-order something from you, you know, yes, I don't want to make it and you don't want it, so you have to pre-order it and the money have to reach in my account. And it's no refund. Once I make it, no refund. Me can understand. And then me go so boom and me say go to your business place and you make it. No, the people the money you want for turnover. So where's all your money that you have garnered during your business? In this same life you sell pallets and pallets of cupcakes yourself. You don't know which part that selling, you know. But I could reach a stage here.
I'm usually not the type of person. I do not do voice note releases and stuff like that. Just know that anytime we communicate or communication, if we've ever communicated, it stays there. That's who I am. However, this particular set of voice notes that I have, it was forwarded to me. It wasn't something that I recorded. It was something that was forwarded yesterday morning, and when I opened my messenger, I saw it, and it was sent to me because somebody was watching on the sidelines, and they said to me, Tina, too many lies are being told on you, and this is what I'm going to do for you. That's what the person said to me. And I said that to say this, and I said it last night. In the midst of negativity, in the midst of noise, just be still. Be still.
The person said to you, too much lies has been told on you. Can you identify probably even 3 of those lies? Too much is too much. Too much lies has been told on you. Too much is too much. We just want 3 of those lies that are in social media that has told on you. See that? Just come tell you 3 of the lies them. With things we talk, just want to tell you 3 of them. We talk in social media. We are lie. Where you can identify say a lie. Because we out here we're sensible, you know. We know what is fabricated, you know, from what is true. So it's not like everything we talk about you, we're going to run and jump. Well, me and all. I mean, all more sensible people out here, knowledgeable people out here, you know, people with them little education. Unlike me, we might not have none, because as me say, me did try to attend Sunday school, and every time I reach, the security lock the gate for me, and pastor say, don't let him in. Don't let him in. So me end up not even go Sunday school. So me know a couple educated people out here. But knowledge is key. So we know say certain things said about this not only you, this person, that the person. Sometimes, you know, with knowledge make we know say it is just fabricated. It's just for, you know, the camera then. Me not go say views are, but just for the camera. You know? But me want you name me 3 of the sitting them me talk about you with a light, you know. Plenty of things said about you, and them not like the position where you're in. So them give you the voice note free, and you are going to sell it to your audience. You know business who hate you from who like you on your platform. You're supposed to turn this out free of cost to your audience. Make who want listen it. Who want cast them judgment cast it. You understand me? I say, what kind of sell? A rock bottom you hit. Rock bottom you hit. But the woman now will spend her how much thousands of dollars to organize her meet and greet. The whole of you have problem with it. See, it's sold out there. Eventbrite have to add more ticket right now. And me know by the date to come again, them they are going to sold out again. You understand? So, me don't know what kind of lie I want to tell, but you get something free. Hey, why me don't know what I'm telling you, know? Before me going further, me so tired for carry curly that me have all a video I could have do for curly in the night too, you know. But me not gonna do it. But curly, you see you, before me going further than the Tina video people. This is why your business not gonna reach nowhere. I will never reach nowhere. Because them saying a business, you know. You can't build your business, and each time you reach a certain stage, you lose customer where you have to bill back, when you should have bill upon the customer where you have already. And you know, if people even whether sorry for sympathy or whatsoever these people have for you to supporting you, you know, after they see the behavior of you in a phone with other people and them come after and support you, I don't know. But you continue to have the same behavior. You figure more or less people must talk. People must just, you are doing business and people are spending money with you. I'm not saying you must make people walk on you because them say customer have the rights. Me not believe in that. Customer have the rights when them have the rights. But not have the rights when there is no rights for you. But because you feel like you have spend your money. You understand? So when me I say no, you take the people them money for them shit. The whole only in a problem for money right now. All of a sudden, all of these tapanaris people in a problem. That things that they never used to do, or they used to do and put aside, them find themselves a do it now. Because Curly stand by for home care for 2 nights. For whosoever I don't know. I see she a maga say she da white people place she there. And she a cuss out one customer. Or 2 customer we must call the woman down a country and tell her say Curly take her money and not send her sheet come and whatsoever. Curly, come on. If you take the people them money with an arrangement for them to get them goods at X time pass, them reach out to you, you might say so and so and so and so, or you know, reach out to them, or them reach out to you and can't get you. And them take it to that level there, which me no know. Probably them have a motive against you, but it happen. Alright. That no give you the authority to come out, come behave on me, you behave on your platform. And I deal with the people them. And I go on like say the people them, you tell them say Friday come and done, or you tell them Thursday done, Friday done, I go in a Saturday, and then you get them things, and you get the money, and the people them must ask your talk. And if you even come and say to them, say, okay, my van broke down, and I can't reach you now until next month, then we just accept that. Just so. Your van not have your work for you ship the thing them. You have a business and you're supposed to protect your brand. So what you do now, you go in your pocket and you call a Uber. And which part you would have take it with your van, you make the Uber carry there for the post office, the FedEx, the whatsoever. If you go ship off the people them things. The people them are supposed to wait till next month when your van fix. You understand? So if your van fi never fix, or the longer your van take to fix, or the longer the people them fi wait. And if the people them talk, you come out on your platform and behave in a disrespectful manner. After you do this, come tomorrow morning, and you come out on your platform and beg people, buy my sheets. Come on, support me. Members only, come on, don't support me, man. You not support me, you know. You this, you that. I want somebody alone to give the support, you know. And as them up with them out, to give them the support, you know. Yes. Because they want somebody we are talk about. Deal with business on a different level. Deal with business respectable and respectfully. Not like you, we make it look like the same customers where you come out and beg every day no mean nothing to you. The same customer where you say now support you and you have to beg them for your life and whatsoever. And when them come across and say, I could support her, whether we're sorry for her, we have sympathy, or we say she need the money. Yeah. You come out against them. So you shun them and shun the others who want to come. Because the others who want to come will not take disrespect. Them now got venture. People who don't want to hear the life of the woman go on. And based on what she has said, is because she get 2 nights and somebody asks her to fill in 2 nights for her. Must if it's some home care. Because she said, hey, curly body, no. Curly ever there the tapper Norris places. Curly not tell you say I want to look at old poor woman or I want to look at old poor man. She a look off I know. Curly say a white people place me there and she shows 2 little picture up on wall. Like she show you the people them from them young. But Curly, me never know you'd find yourself in a them desolate place there. Not desolate place but desolate position. Where you have to accept 1 2 nights of home care. And I talk about you need money. And all that shit I tell people them, oh, you think me need money? You think me gonna make a $80 or $100 pass me? Curly. Big deal. Norris Curly. We have your registered business. Your travel agent or your travel whatever. And all kind of things to your name. Running down a 2 night for a $80 or $100. Curly, I rap bottom you them man, just like your friend Tina. We are come to sell Voicenote. Rap bottom you the Curly. How long now you know the home care? How long now you know change one pampers? The last set of pampers you're gonna change when Rome did it over your place. And then they're more easier to change than the adult. Because based on the type of person, the mood, the type of person, the behavior of the person and stuff like that. You understand? I mean, back camera good in them the place you have to know what you're doing. But you and Tina eat rock bottom. You understand? One I go sell Voicenote and one gone in a home care, take a 2 day. It come like, you're not work and you're there home hungry, a kid and your brethren call you and say to you, say, boy, me I give you 1 day, man. Come in. Because my sister, you need a 1 day. A hungry lifestyle that curly. Hungry lifestyle that you're gone to. For a big deal. Your position, where you make it look like you're inner, that lifestyle enough for you. That of your trying person. Or a person who in the street deeply looking it. Not you, we already have it. And have established business, registered business. Back to Tina.
No. And by me being still, it created something positive for me. People might not look at it as positive, but to me, it is positive. So what I did, you notice I've stayed still during the storm. I've stayed still. We're going toward the end of the week, but I've stayed still. I told you guys that I have the power to stop everything. I know my position.
What power she have? Because most of what them here, say, my son in a comment, I say, when you see that girl like silent, that girl they are planning, a dangerous railway, So it come like, I must say, that's why she said she have the power, because probably she read comment behind doors, Mm-hmm. So she said, have her a certain way. So probably that's why she come out and talk about she have powers. You know, have no powers, Tina. Because you just sound like the Obia people, the people that say them work voodoo. Them only can do the E word thing, but them can't do the G word thing. Them can't do the good. Only the Eve can't beef. Eve can't beef. Them can't do the goodness. And when you see them, the people there, they not live no life. Some whole shackle, some whole house where I beg for little paint. Some of them have all one bag of ginger flat, jing bang behind them as relative and family run up and down. You never see them look good yet. You see them on road, them have a grand picnic job behind them. And you so good at what you do. Yeah, man, so you're coming at it, you're not no power.
In a lot of things. I
Your
know my
power and your
position and
business
I know my
can't
power.
progress.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. I know my power and I know what I
No
come with.
achievement.
And I know I have the power to stop a lot of things just by me pulling away. I know what can happen. You understand? I was looking at Michelle LaDonna's page, and I saw Michelle LaDonna post a picture, and
But they ever
that
want to play
picture
herself.
has
Because
like
she ever say,
a whole bunch of matches on
listen,
the
listen.
picture, right? Some of the matches were lit, and some were not lit, right? However, in that one row of match where 6 were lit and 6 were unlit, one of the unlit ones pulled away, right? So one of the unlit match was pulled from the row of matches, right? And that was so significant and it made so much sense because it's the same way how I was thinking, you know, in the midst of everything, just pull away, right? So all those lit matchsticks now can get to the other unlit matchstick.
How long can you pull away for? You can 1 week. As what you say, 1 week. And as the people them say, you take the break, sit and think what's the next move. Because you always think the E way, You know that E way there, you always think it. And everybody have you like that. So you take the time out to do it. And you come back. And here you come back. To sell voice note of what people send to you. Whatever on the voice note, me don't know people. Because remember, me not go buy it neither. I must somebody buy it and record it because remember no, it just come like you have send a WhatsApp and you send it in a one where say for you open the WhatsApp, you can't screenshot it, you can't do nothing to it, you can't replay it or it just gone. The only thing you can do is use an next phone and video it. And I must social go do the link. Once you pull it and you listen the voice note them and come off of the link, that's it. It can't reopen. Probably it can't share, it can't do nothing. You understand me? I say to you. And this you I come back with, and you say you walk away like the matches. For how
So
long?
with that said, I look at the makeup under my nail.
Dirty I looking for
So
the
with that
Hey,
said, I
she lie? All along pan the video she depend. But true she a catch her king. And she go so. You right now, no? And look, me I look at makeup in my nails. I never saw you go, Tina. I know saw you go. I saw you go. I catch on your neck and your shoulder and cross with your chest. And then you're looking at your nail. So when makeup I do in your nail, you sweat it off and gone down in your chest and by your shoulder and your neck. Oh, a dirt you look for, Tina. Dirt. You look at dirt I come off because you don't know the people them come on to you, you know. They look for everything. And then love show your dirty fingernail them. And your ginger look finger them what you have. So basically you make sure I look all the scratch you scratch, you make sure I look at dirt in your fingernail. No makeup, you can't fool me, man. Remember with detailing over here, you know. Oh?
pulled away, and yeah, I know I'm a power man. But I say so humbly, right? I'm not saying so with no, oh, I know I'm a power. No. I'm just saying to speak it, right? So, with that said, I have it. I'm gonna do the pre-release of the voice. I'm gonna do like a pre-order of it.
Money, money, money,
These
money,
voice notes were
money.
forwarded to me because
Money, money,
somebody did
money,
not
money,
like the
money.
injustice that was taking place against my name. Yes. The person said, Tina, I could not hold on to this and allow you to be slandered anymore. I couldn't sit. I couldn't rest. Like the person said, I couldn't allow my conscience.
And yet still, she's saying it have nothing to do with mix up. Remember the only year she just said, me did say it earlier what on the earphone yourself. And this is why I like to, dissect them video, you know. I make gonna hear a little piece, then me talk my piece. Yes, I make gonna understand. I may do it within YouTube guideline. If it's not nothing about mix up, why this person can approach you, figure you this and tell you say you can't just sit make them slander you and tell lies on you. It must have something to do with mix up. So why you don't sell the link as a mix up link where them are gonna get? But when you tell the people them saying a mix up, they might not want to hear it. Them might not want to hear it, but the smart people they are gonna buy it because them know a mix up in it. $20 for the link. Wow.
I couldn't allow my conscience. My
Something that you
conscience
get
wouldn't allow me
free.
to. You love where I'm at, right? Thank you, Sonny. Thank you. It's peace, man. Peace and happiness. Peace and clarity. I can't think.
Sonny, I idiot. What kind of peace and quiet and clarity? Sonny, I idiot, man. Look Pantina. She look like somebody in a piece. Frustration, she could have soon get pregnant. Frustration would have soon get her pregnant. What kind of piece you see on this face?
Straight, me can't do it. I'm just in a different space. You know, it's going on a week now. One whole week. It's a go on now.
And you couldn't hold
Where
out.
I just had like it's the anniversary. I'm gonna celebrate a week of staying away from the negativity, and I'm gonna celebrate. Trust me, I'm gonna celebrate it with a drink. I'm gonna cheers to it. 1 week of staying away from it. Yes, man, I am being called to many battles, and I'm ignoring it. Them a call me to every battle. Them a use every weapon. I'm just ignore it. Ignore the battles. I just have to point it out. I am ignoring all the battles, all the whatever call me to. I just next.
I said, go in and hold it back, you put people through, You know what cut you make back a cut people? So I your time now. Yes, man, I your time now. I see it where you sow. Yes, man. You have to do good, and good shall follow. Do good every time, and good shall follow. Do good every time, and good will follow. You can't get up every day. I do eat corned beef against people. Eve corned beef against people. And feel more or less say all the day of your life I go smooth. You gotta have things calm. Retribution out there, you know. Then say karma. Them say all kind of things. Them out there. Cause remember God no like ugly. Them say the whole of we are God picnic. But at the same time, him not like ugly. Because him never make none of it feel ugly. You understand? He make the whole of it pretty and say go out there. Go live on a life. Live good and live loving. Protect on one another. Wanna see what me do for the whole of you. Pan the cross to the whole of you. So why you if you come out and come fight against one another? But like all of you know want that. Because as me say, you're a type of person who want to be the one on top. You want to be the one who up there looking down on us like the Almighty. You understand? You the one the Almighty have you next to him, just right below him, next to him. So him oversee you, but you are oversee we. You don't work for it. You don't do nothing to achieve it. You understand? But you just want it happen. God no idiot, you know. You think Father God a idiot? Remember him sit high and him look low. Him know everything, every move we make before we even gonna make it. Him know everything what we think. Right now, everything when me go say on this video, your Father God already know it. And then you come out and play with God and play with him name. God, 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 God. Father God, Jesus, Jesus. You have one such one, she get up a morning time and she talk about she do morning worshiping. And by the time the morning worshiping done, she can't even go wash out her crotch, wash out her mouth and fear her mouth not supposed to smell that good because she have one big old dirty false teeth when you fit good in her mouth. And when you have false teeth fit good in your mouth, all kind of saliva line around the gum area is supposed to fit up. And then now that cycle, and when you sleep overnight, all of that becomes you know like stagnant water in the gum. So when you wake up and if you ever make her she wake up and make she talk in your face as she wake up, man, me I tell you, for the whole week you can't smell the smell upon her. Whoever eat garlic yet or smell somebody when you have garlic. Them you all the garlic from 10 o'clock the morning and 10 o'clock the night, you still smell the garlic. I saw them never yarn on in front of you, cracker teeth. When all them they just wake up. Me can't tell you. All week it come like she staying still in front of you yarn. Cause you still smell like the smell there.
Big a fix for fry. I like these voice notes for people I release.
Cause you want the $20 of them.
So
You can't wait to see what $20 you got accumulate off of it.
yes, so
But you need to go look at order still
you
in
know, the
$20
person sit
go
down
take too
and the
long to
person say,
reach lawyer money.
Gina, I'm tired for see people do you wrong. I'm tired of it. I could sit down to the sideline and know some have them here and me no give it to you. You have to, yeah, I can't. I'm gonna say, okay. I'm gonna say, send them. Where you are, send them. Of course, I'm gonna want to see this. You think they're gonna be like, oh, no, don't send them.
Look at all our good friend trending drama, you know. Cause I love the mix up, you know.
So, the
Baby
person send them.
germs.
Hey, Eunice. The person send them, but me never listen to them right away because, you know, me have to get up and come catch my flight and, you know, yeah. And I when me relax at the flight now, my member say, me have them. I miss it. And like what I said last night, all of them when I get at the same at the same amount. At the same minutes per each one. So when I see them, I say, wait, why just, you know, 4 times? Anyways.
Why she? She go for say why she. But baby germs can classify as a she too, you know. But basically, right so it's like she go for say Me I wonder why she send me them with so much and at the same timing. She. Wanna hear? Wanna rewind or hear? Me not rewind it. Basically, it's like she declares there's a female send her.
When me play the first one, I say, I may listen, can I say, what is, you know, like, it take a while for you. It's like when you look past something, and your eye have a focus, you know, your eye have a focus for figure it out. And so my ears did have a focus, because I get old, you know. Yeah, man, my ears and my head and my brain have a focus, because I get old. So, I sit down there, you know, you left on the plane and it hot. I say, what is? I listen. And I say, oh! I say, if I could have danced and I seat, but, you know, it was a full flight for come down, so I couldn't even dance, I couldn't even move my leg. I know I'm not rich, so, yeah. I couldn't even move my leg, you know, when I fly. But that's not so. See me and have a seat. Lord have mercy, but I love.
So if I don't mix up and it's sweet, yes, so judge if I didn't mix up. Because you say I don't mix up. But we all know say some mix up. Some you say miss say are this your person you attack against that the person you will start defend that the person there. Or some farmer mix up like that. We don't heed your tea, girl. You understand? But go and go look at $20 for your link anyway. But me feel like that I got too slow for reach lawyer money. You need to do something more. This a time where you're the Atlanta waste, you should have prepared for the carnival. If you make a big money like we did make last year, as what you say. Me don't know no business sense so. I'm foolish when it come on to business. But the people them are smart and sacrifice them time and put the energy where uno put in a phone in a them business and gain them success and achieve where them can enjoy whatever them achieve. Uno tear them down. Uno chat all kind of things. People them spend the money buy them house, build them house, uno have problem. People them buy vehicle, uno have problem. You understand? Such woman buy one step wagon vehicle and throw a black and it till dark. Uno used to say how much a funeral one van. What me I do with that? A funeral one van. Just because it black and it till black. Mm-hmm. You understand? The woman buy another vehicle, wanna come on talk. She can't even drive and she buy so much vehicle. Cause me never know a phone no money I spend. Wanna move from funeral van now, you know, to she can't even drive and she buy so much vehicle. She buy so much vehicle for so she take on the money and buy it. Who no money and buy? Who for money? You understand? And then when X6 go by now, the beast. We don't hear about no more funeral van. All we can hear. One at a time then say Ramesh buy the woman van. Donor money buy the woman, all kind of something. So me never know say all them late night there where me go on my bed and left the woman in a kitchen pan her life a bake her cake. Wake up a morning time see the woman in a kitchen a ball how much lad. Me tired plank me want to sleep you know. Me I go take a little half hour, me tell fresh if you look on the sitting them. You know? Yes man. And me tell where the next brown girl in here where they me tell her to prepare the things them so by X time. But me I go take a little 5 and no planka so me just come chat with them a little bit but me wake up and see all of that. Eh? And us sacrifice, the woman sacrifice for earn she have. The woman not gonna cock up in a hotel like you they know. Say you try escape social media where they write on your phone. Where if you go on Mars, Jupiter, anywhere Saturn, you have social media once you have internet. But you left social media in New York and gone to Atlanta. Someone know where they pan use. When you could have the Atlanta earn at the carnival, just like what you have done last year, and make a big workers according to you, you choose not to this year. And then hard-working people don't have problem with them and them money and what them do with it.
Some fun with these voice notes. So we're going to have a pre-order where everybody gets their own, because it's long, which is why I'm going to do the release this way. It is long. Okay? It's not no 5-minute voice note. It's not no 10-minute. It's roughly about an hour. An hour voice note. Hey, Nadine.
One day what a
It's
sus
roughly
that.
about 1 hour.
One day what a sus.
And so, in order for y'all to listen to the 1 hour, y'all gotta skim through. It's like you gotta skim through. You gotta see your best parts, and that's part. You know, you gotta sit down and, you know, like it's just like when you're listening to some story, but you gotta skim through, skim through. It's like when you now watch YouTube or anybody live. Yeah, but this is just pure audio. I think of a way for release it nicely. I think of a way for release it with slide with should I do picture slides? No.
You have to give the people them something good for their money. A $20 that. And a free something you gonna sell. That's all no man. Lawyer serve you the document, the lawyer serve you the document. Just look out for it. Look out for it, yes. Look out for it, yes. That you ever sing, man. Doctor, the lawyer serve you the documents. That you have to look out for and sing. But lawyer serve me the documents, the documents, the documents, the documents. Lawyer serve me the documents, the documents. That you have to talk about.
Okay, what y'all are going on with? Good morning, what I go on with? God is so good to me and I deserve it. I'm gonna celebrate my 1 week anniversary of pulling away from the bullshit.
You mean? So you couldn't go 2 weeks.
Pulling away at the bullshit.
You couldn't go a month.
To deal with what's going on social media, and I
social media on a life, man.
Yeah, man.
So now I'm not other company, you know.
So we're gonna celebrate that 1 week of clarity. And big up everyone. If anybody
If you want more mix up and evidence.
I'm fine, church man.
Listener.
If anybody out there have any more information that they want to drop in my lap, please do. Don't hesitate.
Please do.
I'm not one
help
of
her
those
to gain her lawyer
exposers.
fee. Please do. She desperately need lawyer fee. So she have to be looking it because our product's not going to give her it. Cupcakes not going to give her it. You're a player case information. Listener player case information.
Should know this too. Me not tell lie upon people. Me not tell lie upon people. I don't tell lie on people. That's one thing I don't do.
Father God, if you did ever like man, Father God, this is a stuffed doll. See the head in front? You see, Father God did ever like man. You see a lack of them there? Shoops. Back of them. Uno no do tell lie upon people. The amount of fabricated story we uno come on social media and go on with and do. And you are going to say you not tell lie upon people? Good God.
Yeah, man. No. You have to order it, Denise Gale. That's the whole point.
Pre-order. You know hear that, Denise? Pre-order.
No free listeners. So even, Denise, remember, I know, and uno alone me a cater to it. Remember, my page wide open. And this link is going to be a public link. Right? It's like when I buy a pussy in a bag.
You couldn't state it no better.
It's not like uno know what I get.
And from me, I go them say you must buy pussy in a bag.
The surprise comes when uno hit play.
I did plan to buy that. Money nobody buy it with just a statement the way you make.
$20. It's a pre-order pussy in a bag. Trust me.
$20.
Alright? $20.
I wonder if Marcia will come out and say, no, Tina, man, you could have sell it for $5. Remember, free, you get that, you know. You know, do nothing more than create a link for benefit yourself by selling the link for them get it. You could have said $5. But the woman, you put in her thousands of dollars. The amount of money Marcia put in a fair gala, as what she say, we know nothing no go so. Because as far as my memory can serve me, I think she did say the people them for the place, or because of something what she did for keep, and I think it was the man that she did for married, and the man end up back out of the marriage nick of time. Jamaican, you know. And we know Jamaican want turn Americanized. Because them want when them come to America, them find woman for marry to them and take them up. Even when they are Jamaica, yeah. And can you imagine a man run from a marriage? A US citizen married him and him run. And you want to charge $100 Marcia. $100, you know. And when you see the ticket now sell and it now sell, you drop the price, you know, Marcia. You must see $80, you know. But you come out and talk about the woman ticket them too expensive for $200 and you never put much money in your business. And you didn't want an arm and a leg out tight and the cow head. You understand what I say to you? And as me depend that topic here before me get back to that one, yeah. Because this coming like a 2 in a 1, I don't know how I get. But because me tired of Marcia so much. Marcia, you see the difference with selling ticket? Remember me did tell you, you know, if I done, I did keep the gala where you keep. She just come out and say she keep the gala. She announce the date, announce when ticket out, where to get the ticket, and she not have to say nothing more than no one again she come on her live and say, I want to remember, you know, the 13th, she not have to come and plead to nobody if you buy no ticket. You notice? Within 2 days, the ticket published where you can get the ticket for buy. The ticket them sold out, and me can guess. Me Dave not go exaggerate. It's at least 300 person were catered for at the first instant. Me just put it at that. It can be more, but me I put it at that. Me can tell it's at least 300 person were catered for. And the ticket them sold out. Up to the last day of your gala Curly, you have big people for buy a ticket. The last day of your gala. So you see the difference? You see who are the real deal? Big deal at Kentucky something. People just name that and dash with that. And no memory of that. Because dog draw with that. Puss draw with that. When you are a real deal, you are a staple. When you are a real deal, you are a staple. 99, a real deal, not big deal.
Understand? Remember, there are a lot of people who follow my page, people who like me, people who don't like me, which I don't care about. But there are a lot of people who follow my page.
That's why you shouldn't worry about them and just let it go to your people, them free. You shouldn't make 2 them, you gotta sell it for $20.
You know, they're nosy too, you know. They're nosy just as everybody else. Right? You understand me? So I'm gonna put the link out there and the whole on pre-order.
Money you look, man. Money you want.
I'm gonna put up a pre-order link where you guys have to prepay for it, and then
everything you sell a pre-order.
Then
you want to hold on people money before you even have ingredients for the product.
Release, there's gonna be a pre-order Voicenote release. I'm gonna get the flyer done. It's 6:30 in the morning. By end of day, I should have the flyer up and the link, the purchase link, and everything like that. We're gonna do it in fine style. And like I said, I don't release my source. You know, it's something that you have to do. I'm not a chatterbox. I'm not a rap on people. None of them. Some of them I'm not do. Right? I'm not expose.
So, it seems like this is your next move. to go around and seek information that is privately held by people who associate with people. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's see what you're coming with. Let's see what you have up your sleeve. Let's see what substance what you're coming with have. Let's see, how strong what you're coming with have. Because I think this can really help you anyway.
People, just to expose people. I'm not one. Some of these weirdos on here who expose people and oh look, I'm listening this and that. Oh, that is advice to that. I am not like that. Okay? Yeah, I don't do that. So
You
when we
can't be
do the voice
trusted.
note release, you guys gotta pre-order it. I'm gonna put out the pre-order form, that and stuff like that.
Listen,
You
girl said she
understand?
sell thousands
Your education
pallets
is what
of
they can never
cupcake.
take. Nobody can take my education, baby. That's something we're inbred in me from me a picnic. Me start go to
Education,
school
where that
from me
come
at
from?
3, 4 years old.
Where
Infant school,
education come from?
there are a lot of people who don't go to infant school. Believe it or not, I go infant school. Like a lot of people who are well taught. You understand? Infant school is the core of any education, early education. Yeah, man, infant school. They go infant school, and then from infant school they go up.
Move. Who you tell that? Basic school is the first. Basic school, well, nowadays, them say preschool. You understand? But in my days, it's two different things to me. Basic and preschool are two different things. When I say preschool, then you move on to basic school. Preschool is like a little daycare. But you don't know them teach you how to count and them because something there and show you alphabet, letters and stuff like that. But basic school is when you're like a 3-year-old, 2.5, 3-year-old. Preschool, you start go preschool from probably 1.5-year-old. Preschool. Preschool is like more like a daycare. But at the same time, you get to look at one-on-one. Say 1, A, B. Yes, that's preschool. Basic school is when you start go basic school at like 2.5 years, 3-year-old. You understand? After basic school, you go basic school for probably about 3 years, because I think basic school stop at 3, class 3, where you have 1, 2, 3, right? And after that, you go to the infant. What I say? You go to the infant. Then after the infant, you move on to the primary level now, where you start, or if a prep school you go, or whatsoever. You understand? You move on to that level there. So you start from 1 grade now. So so when you reach 6th grade, say, yeah, do your CXC, your GSAT, if you move on to high school. So now come mislead the people them out here about infant. Infant come after basic. Where? How we tell that? We got infant, Miss Chin Basic School at Pink Lane, right down at West Kingston. And when me outdone Miss Chin Basic School right at Pink Lane, there's a Spanish Town Road bottom there, so just like 2 yards away. When you come off of Spanish Town and turn from Pink Lane, right? I move on to St. Anne's Infant. And when I left St. Anne's Infant, I move on to the primary. And I saw me climb the ladder go up. Alright? So now come out and come mislead nobody about you have education. Where your education? Show it now. Where the result of your education? Where is your result? If you come on phone, come twing it and trick the people them. Twing it and talk proper and speak proper English and then they mix it up with patois. That no mean say you're educated. What me right now are Henny Dunn's people go along them peers. Not peers, go along people then in America. And you're against them for a while. You're gonna start talk like them. Even American come here what speak proper English, Americanized. If them there for a while against Jamaican, you're gonna hear them start talk Jamaican. It gonna even sound so sweet because it kind of crossbreed. So you speaking proper English or trying to twing it twang. Not make you educated. And that is why you are used out here to make people feel like you're educated. We don't want to see that. We want to see you come with documentation to say you're educated. I'm going to show you what I want to see you come with. This is the Queen's High School. She have the other one, but I'm going to just show you. Look where this mark. Caribbean Examination Council. See it? And see all the subjects them there. And this one you come show with. And this is high school, but if you even come show with this. But nobody not supposed to do America. Say them educated and I come show high school. Something. You're supposed to come show college, university. My daughter who is older for this, she's going to college now. But me just show you because I have this. Not even this you can't come show. This you have to show people. These are the things you have to show people and say you're educated. Not come and say, oh, you know I'm going to the American Embassy tomorrow morning and I would really like to meet a counselor that, you know, is, you know, nice. You know, have a nice sense of humor. Yeah, that not make you educated. Where? I'm more from there.
Yeah, man. Some people don't go infant school, you know, and them because them never realize some people couldn't afford it. Some parents couldn't afford it.
Infant school. Different from prep school. Infant school is government school. Infant school is government school. But what? After a while, most of the infant school them cut out. And what them do, them like the primary schools, them have the small part for those kids who would have go to the infant itself. You understand? But infant school is government school. You don't pay for that. And a prep school we are talking about. Prep school is what you're paid for. Because prep school is privately run. It might fund by government percentage, but it is privately run. So we are going to talk about and everybody could I can't know a lie you're telling them. Because send what? Alpha Primary at the last or whatsoever the last school you're going up at Duke Street, they say, you know, at Jamaica, you know. Can't know a lie you tell. What kind of pay if you go to infant school?
Said them people go infant school. Yeah. Which it is, but I'm glad some I one of the
So
one
when the
them
stay on the
my
compound phone
parents
come
them could
tell people
afford it.
crap.
I am happy
On the
and I'm
supporters
appreciative
crap.
of the fact that
But
I
if you
am one of the
understand,
ones
say
where
we
my
out here
parents could
know, most
also
people out here know what is what.
my dad, he could afford private lessons for me, right? After school, after school. I did that too, you know. So when school over, I never just did go straight to my yard. But I'd have to stay back till like about 4 o'clock, an extra 2 hours after school, right? I in a after school tutoring, not like tutoring. It's called after school, where you do your homework and you learn extra things where them not teaching in a class. Yes, that's what I did after school.
And you go sack the class. Well, almost every picnic in my time used to do private lesson. And when it a come on to exam time, your parents make you just go sack the class. And this is how Tom Recom Library was alive. Who know that Tom Recom Library was alive. Pan Saturday and I saw like a boyfriend and girlfriend used to meet up. So I don't know who you are fool. Where? Almost everybody could afford that.
Parkside, I gotta hide from people with my cupcakes. Okay? My cupcake them
People
can't
when
see
are no
them.
good taste bud.
My cupcakes them cater to
People
so
when are
many
no
weddings. You
taste.
know how much guests eat by my cupcakes them? Hey!
The amount of sitting you put in your cupcake them for them have taste. You never need to put so much in there if it is that good.
Pallets and pallets and pallets of cupcakes. That's what I ship. Pallets and pallets and pallets of cakes. That's what I ship. I am no a simpleton, you know. I just come on social media and laugh up with
So
them.
where is the
But
result?
I am not a simpleton. When
Where
it
is the
comes on to
financial
me working
result?
and ready once me put on the baker's hat, I'm a baker's uniform, and me walking in the kitchen there. After that, me can't find it. Oh?
Where is the financial result? Pallets
Big
and
up yourself,
pallets
man.
of cupcake.
I gave up a building that was
But want to listen right here, so.
$3,825 per
Not she,
month
you know.
for
Somebody said
lease,
that to her. But listen here,
not
so.
including. Hey, you saw me I talk about Iona, right? If you can figure out a way, I don't know what
Listen.
industry you're in, Iona, what industry you're in.
Listen right
If
here,
you
so.
can figure out a way to do business without, even if you scale down, you can scale down to a one room and do everything online, because there's some people who need.
So all of a sudden now you believe in a scale down? Eh? When Mr. Man a England YMK, sometime in the last year, said him a go give up him apartment where him live. And him a go scale down where, you know, spending these money at this apartment, and most of the facility that he's paying for, he's not using it, like pools and gyms and whatsoever. Ray. You claim to say I broke the man broke. After the man tell himself say, all these money I'm wasting here is full time I buy my one place. And him a go look a place to buy. And him tell himself that in order for do that, him a go scale down. You run with it in a social media, like you see and Bolt run down a Safa Powell. You understand? And them a try catch Shelly and Fraser up at the top of the lane in the 200. You run with it and say him broke, and him this, and him Tara, and him Wara. But now you talk about scale down. So you believe in a scale down for better off business and better off life now. But when the man did a talk about scale down, to adjust himself, to go for him goal where him want, in buying him own house, you never see it, so I broke him broke. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I don't know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. Come on, full time for to run up that channel. No, you know, man. That channel is hitting me 3,000 subscribers already. Alright? And remember in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy. And remember the cake sale the 3rd of June. Hook them up and make an order the number out there by the 28th of May. And remember Tamika Douglas also in the comment section. Give them a subscription. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out.